Yan na. Binbin. Right. Lami. Nagatagan na kay si Yung Taknim.
Yung Taknim, kamsahamnida.
Ni Manimugo.
Naku, nawawala na naman yung mga diamonds ko. Nagagalit na ako dito
Tobonim, annyeonghaseyo. Thank you for the pizza. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Ako na. Guys, bibigyan.
Tobonim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida for the pizza.
Good afternoon, Neil.
Good afternoon, teacher Nisan.
So you failed last live and you have an assignment to write 1 to 30 multiplication, right?
Yes.
So you're done?
Yes.
Let's check. Sige, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Alright, so for you to pass and be back in our class, I need to ask you 5 questions. Mga tanong ko ni mo 5 ka na multiplication. Sige, 4 times 8.
32,
2 times 8.
16,
5 times 6.
42,
5 times 6.
46. Ay, ganang 30.
4 times 9.
36.
9 times 5.
45.
9 times 7.
63.
4 times 4.
16.
3 times 7.
21.
4 times 2.
8.
5 times 6.
30.
Alright, so you're done. So, next time, make sure nga, hindi na makasayo pa para di ka masigsuwatan na. Kapuyer ba magsuwat 1 to 30? Kasabot?
Yes, teacher.
So, bye for now, Neil.
Goodbye, teacher Nisan.